My name is Marissa Mizuki. I am from Fleming's Prime Steakhouse and Wine Bar in Walnut Creek. I've been with Fleming's for a little over 10 years now. The introduction of the chef's table at Fleming's inspires chefs to dig deep and create dishes that speak to their soul. It really makes us a more artistic person. Flavors in my colossal prawn dish are a mix between an Italian meets Japanese flair. It's very rustic and warming and filling. It's an amazing, heartwarming dish for me. My husband is an extremely influential person in my life when it comes to creating dishes. So the things that I make at home, I turn it into an idea at work that really appeals to everybody. My philosophy as a leader is happy kitchen, happy guest. You have a happy kitchen, they put love and attention into the food, and it really shows in the flavors. That's what makes us so different from the rest, is that we are really engaged and heartfelt and in love with what we do.